Okay, this is not a tutorial and I've never seen this problem before, but I'm gonna do my best to solve it and I'll try to explain my thought process along the way. This is remove duplicates from sorted array 2. Okay, this doesn't seem too bad. So my solution is going to be, I'm going to loop through the array and I'm going to keep a pointer to the element or the index in the array where I'm filling in the elements. So basically what I'm doing is, the idea is I'm not allowed to make a second array, so I'll just pretend like the original array is the second array, and you'll see how that works as I code it. Let's start with the for loop, and then we're gonna need a count out here to know how many times we've seen an element, because if we see it 3 or more times, then we want to stop adding it. We also want a index to where I'm putting stuff in the array, and then we want a current number that we're looking at, and all these variables are going to come into use later. I'll just leave this as the first element in the array. Okay, so how we want to do this, if we want to say, like, if nums at I is the same as the current number, then that might be okay, right? Then we want to count plus plus, and then we want to say if count is greater than 2. So if count is greater than 2, and actually let's do less than equal to. So if it's less than equal, that means we do want to add it to the array. So nums at index should be nums at I, and then we want to index plus plus. And then if nums at I is not equal to cur num, that means we've moved on to like a different number, right? So like the jump from this 1 to this 2. In that case, we should reset count. We should set count to 0 actually. No, set count to 1. We want to set cur num to nums at I, and then we want to put whatever this new number is at our index, and then we want to increment the index, and at the end we just have to return the index. Okay, let's try that. Okay, yeah, I was kind of expecting something to go wrong. So what's happening is seems like I'm removing one too many at the very beginning. And the reason for that is because I should be starting this index at 1, because I already parsed the first element in nums when I did this like count is 1 and cur num. So that should work now. Yep, that works. Let's try submitting it. And we're done. Nice. Kind of slow, but that's okay. Oh yeah, so that's the video. Thanks for watching.